Video we're going to look or to check the general term for quadratic progression. So we have a question here. Question 1, find Tn in the following. Find the general term of the following. So let's take number 1, the sequence 5, 18, 35, 56, 81, so on. Then what we need to do is step 1, we need to find the first difference. 5 minus 18, 31, 18, 17, 56 minus 35, that is 21, then 25. Then the second difference, 17 minus 18, 4, 21 minus 18, 4, 25 minus 21, 4. Then how do we find a Tn? To find the general term for quadratic equation, you need to find the variables a, b, and c. From the equation, Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. Then how do we find a? 2a equals to the second difference, but we only look at the first ones. We don't take the middle ones, the first ones. So this is the second, or actually here the second difference, and this is the first difference. Then 2a equals to the second difference. In this case, the second difference is 4. Then we need to solve for a. Divide both sides by 2. 4 over 2, cancel. A equals to 4 over 2, that is 2. And then now we need to find b. To find b, 3a plus b equals to the first difference, but the first term of the first difference, which is the first term of the first difference in this case is 13. So we already have a, we need to substitute a for 2 in the equation. 3, then the a, we have it here, 2 plus b, that is 13. Then multiply 3 by 2, get 6. Then still a plus b equals to 13. Then subtract 6 both sides. 6 minus 6 plus b equals to 13 minus 6. Then 6 minus 6 over this comes 0. Then 0 plus b is left with 0 on the left hand side. 13 minus 6, 7. Then now we need to find the last variable, which is c. How do we find c? A plus b plus c equals to the first term, T1, the first term of the sequence. The first term of the sequence. Yeah, the first term of the sequence, in this case it's 5. So we'll have 2. Oh, for a we substitute a here from here, then plus, then we have the value of b here, which is 7. Then we're looking for c. Oh, sorry, this is equals to the first term of the sequence, that is 5, equals to 5. Then 2 plus 7, 9, plus c equals to 5. Then subtract 9 both sides. The plus c equals to 5 minus 9. That is c over 9 minus 0. 5 minus 9, that is negative 4. Therefore we have a, we have everything. A is 2, b 7, c negative 4. Then now let's write the equation. Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. Then for a 2, then b 7, then c is negative 4. So this is the general term of that sequence. Then we need to try it out. Let's say term number, this is term 1, term 2, term 3, term number 4. Let's try T4 and see if we get the answer. Let's say we have T4, which will be 2 into 4 plus 7 into 4 minus 4. This equals to 56. Yeah, which means the equation is right, it is working. So let us try the second question. The equation 4, 7, 12. Number 2, it was 4, 7, 12, 19, 28. The first difference, 4 minus 7, that is 3. 12 minus 7, 5. 19 minus 12, 7. 9. And then let us find the second difference. 5 minus 3, that is 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. Okay, then now let us find Tn. Remember, the question is the main thing was to find Tn. What is the general term of the sequence? The Tn of a quadratic equation, remember, is given by Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c, right? Then we need to find these variables a, b, c, so that we can substitute back to the formula. To find a, 2a equals to the second difference, but the first term of the second difference, not the whole terms. The first term of the second difference, in this case, is true. Then you divide both sides by 2. Oh, you need to solve for a actually. Then over 2, cancel. A equals to 2 over 2. That is 1. Now we need to find b with a. 3a plus b, that is the first term of the first difference. In this case, that is 3. Then if 3, already calculated a is 1 plus b equals to 3. Then 3 times 1, 3 plus b equals to 3. Then you need to subtract 3 both sides so that you can be left with b, or you can make b the subject of the formula. Okay, then subtract 3 both sides. 3 minus 3 plus b equals to 3 minus 3. Subtract 3 from both sides. Then this is b equals to 3 minus 3, 0. Then now we need to calculate c. A plus b plus c equals to the first term, T1, of the sequence. In this case, the first term is 4. Then already calculated a was 1, then b 0, and 8 c equals to 4. 1 plus 0, 1 plus c equals to 4. Subtract 1 from both sides. C is equals to 4 minus 1, which is 3. It will be 1 minus 1 plus c equals to 4 minus 1. Then c is 3. Then you need to substitute back to the formula. Tn is equals to a. A is 1, or maybe in bracket 1 n squared plus b 0 multiplied by n plus c positive 3. Then Tn equals to simplify 1 in bracket times n squared, it will be just n squared. Then 0 times n, 0. Then we left with plus 3. Then before we need to test this thing if it's this right. Let's say which is T1, T2, T3, T3, T4, T5. Let's try this thing with T5. Okay, where this n you put 5 plus 3. Then T5, 28, which means this thing is right. So for recap, what you need to do, you firstly calculate the first difference and the second difference. Then you find the variables a, b, c. Then the formula is Tn is equals to a n squared plus bn plus c. To find a, 2a is equals to the first term of the second difference, or actually just the second difference because it's always the same number. Then to find b, 3a plus b is equals to the first term of the first difference. Then a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c equals to T1, the first term of the sequence. Then after then you just need to plug it back to the formula. Yeah, you plug it back to the formula, will be fine. Or for your notes, what you need to do, the formula of the quadratic sequence is Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. To find a, 2a equals to the second difference, and then 3a plus b is equal to the first term of the first difference, and then a plus b plus c equals to t1, the first term of the sequence. From arithmetic and geometric, t1 was a, but in this case, to find a plus b plus c, we find term 1, we name it as term 1. Then from there you put it on the formula. Good luck.